Hello. Many of you are aware that, if you're a regular viewer, that a lot of my projects require a large capacitor bank. You can buy big capacitors that are easy to mount with these tabs, or you can buy really cheap ones. These are 1200 microfarads, and they cost me way less than $1 each. And I've taken a block of wood and I've drilled holes the size of the capacitors and painted it. Underneath I did a slot and used regular solid number 14 house wire to connect them all together so you can feed from the top, bottom, or both. It's a neat little setup and looks nice. This is my prior capacitor bank. It's ugly, but it works, and it's all exposed. This is my buck converter I'll be getting rid of soon. I'm going to miss it because it gives you that nice 120 hertz hum. This is a very simple buck converter. Some multiple diodes over here. Just a transformer out of a UPS. And driving a couple FETs over here with the microprocessor. It's all very simple. It's being replaced by these little buck converters. These are suitable for my grid tie panels, which are about 60 volts. This is working on the 50 volt string. And simple modification. They work great. Like I said, the capacitor bank is needed for this hot water heater. This is number 2. This is the 20-gallon tank. And for these little supplies up here. I was soon going to get cleaned up a little bit here. This is the microprocessor board. That's the primary water heater. That's microprocessor controlled. So that's my tip for today. Makes a clean little setup. Doesn't look bad. And it's a way to mount these without a lot of trouble. So thanks for watching.